today. It's fun times. It looks like spring has sprung. You see all the greens in the trees finally? Here I am. I'm up in the mountains, sort of. So, it's been good. I don't know exactly where I just drove a motorcycle. I saw a trail. Boom. Here I am. It's pretty cool though. I like it up here. It's pleasant. Spring, you know, it's sunny. It's a little warm, not too warm. There's a crater right here. Old volcano. I might go check that out a little later. But it's pretty cool, huh? I like it. Oh, that's a close one. Oh, yeah, see? All right, buddy, tie. Oh, all the little bamboo guys. It's a nice day up. Spring hasn't totally sprung up here, but it's getting close. I like to look at myself too. Is this better up here or down here? Over here? Over here. All right. Whoa, 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 whoa. Ah. This is cool. All these little wildflowers. Kind of looks, I don't know. Any of the, I've been walking down so many stairs. I'm seriously, there's like 1,000. I have to walk back up it too. It's crazy. Alright, bye. Yeah, I'm not sure if it's worth going down all these stairs for this. It looks like just a little park or something. I don't know, in the middle of the forest. It's good for my knees though, right? How am I looking? It's windy. Have you noticed that it's always windy? That's what they say on this island. It always has wind, women, and stones. You can see there's stones. There's rocks everywhere. Alright, rock, rock, rock. Yeah. And women, good for me. Bye-bye. 213, 214, 215, 216, 217, 218, 219, 220, 221. 363, 364, 365, 366, 367, 368, 369, 419, 420, 88, 89, 90, 91. I think that's it. 491 stairs. 1,000. What was I thinking? 491. 300 meters of stairs. Okay. I will, you hear those birds? It's beautiful up here. It's a really good temperature too. It's not too hot, not too cold. The wind, it sucks to ride in. Alright, bye-bye. Too much wind. Oh, check it out, I'm at the top. There's that crater I was talking about. I think I came up over there. I'm gonna walk around it. Oh, wind. See. You see it? All those. See all the orums? I'm talking orum. Volcanic cones everywhere. It's 368 on the island. I'm probably counting 20. Check it out. Do you know what those are? Whatever. Horses. Horse stable. See the track? Oh, can you see it? Track. Like I said, it's famous for the horses. So it's really, oh, here's, too much sun, but there's the big mountain. Can you make it out? Nice, isn't it? Oh, crazy tree. Oh, crazy tree. Oh, half meadow. Pretty down low in the crater now. You can see there's the bottom. I was way up there before. I have to climb up again, which I never like. Alright. Right, so I'm gonna try to film the protest up here, but it's gonna be kind of dangerous. They started deporting foreigners, and I'm a foreigner. I'm wearing my little symbol. So I'll try to keep it on the DL. Yeah, people get arrested for this, but so you'll see the main leaders of these is the Catholic Church. So there's gonna be lots of priests here, but lots of riot gear. Makes a lot of sense. All right. You can already see all the police trucks. There's 4 police buses, and there's 3 other buses on the other side from the army. They're all in camouflage. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 police buses there, and 3 others. So there's 8 bus loads of people to stop a bunch of priests.
주님께서 여러분과 함께 요한이 전한 거룩한 복음입니다. 예수님께서는 아스팔 축제 연주회 전에 베타니아로 가셨다. 그때 예수님께서는 제자들과 함께 식사하셔서 마음이 깔랑하시어 드론을 놓고 말씀하셨다. 내가 진실로 너희에게 말한다. 너희 가운데 한 사람이 나를 사랑할 것이다. 제자들은 비리를 들고 하시는 말씀을 몰라 어리석은 자와는 서로 바라보는 사람. 그자 가운데 한 사람이 예수님 천만에 앉아 있었는데
There you go. What do you think about that? There's a Catholic Mass happening. It's Lent right now, so they have Catholic Mass all the time. And then the Army's having a little fun joy protest here. It's their own base. Nobody wants it. The mayor voted, the mayor's got arrested, all the leading priests have got arrested. They're protesting everywhere. Nobody wants this. But it's getting pushed by the United States Army. And Samsung's making it, the biggest corporation in Korea. So it's all about money and war. Nobody's happy on the island.